The saffron derives from the stigma and styles called threads within the flower itself. Literature data indicates that saffron could be used as a potential cancer chemopreventive agent. Saffron is a spice from the Crocus sativus flower, which is a cousin of the lily. The saffron derives from the stigma and styles called threads within the flower itself. Saffron is very expensive due to the difficulty of harvesting it. Farmers must harvest the delicate threads from each flower by hand. They then heat and cure the threads to bring out the flavor of the saffron. The extra labor makes saffron one of the most expensive spices in the world. The benefits and medicinal properties of the highly prized spice make it a valuable culinary ingredient worldwide. Modern research suggests that saffron can be used to cause sweating, to prevent gas, and to bring on menstruation. Here are the most known benefits of saffron. 1. Reduce cancer risk. Saffron is rich in two major carotenoids, namely crocin and quercetin. Preclinical evidence demonstrates that certain carotenoids may have potent anti-tumor effects. Literature data indicates that saffron could be used as a potential cancer chemopreventive agent. As per another report, though the exact mechanism of the anti-cancer effects of saffron is unclear, its carotenoids could play a role. Saffron and its components have also been suggested as promising candidates of cancer prevention. Crocin, one of its compounds, was found to have high potency as a chemotherapeutic agent. 2. Vision health. In rat studies, saffrano, a constituent of saffron, was found to delay retinal degeneration. The compound could also reduce rod and cone photoreceptor loss. These properties make saffron potentially used for delaying retinal degeneration in retinal pathologies. Saffron supplementation was also found to induce a mid-term significant improvement in the retinal function in case of age-related macular degeneration. However, more research is warranted with respect of saffron supplementation in clinical practice. 3. Skincare benefits. Apart from its culinary uses, saffron possesses various beauty benefits. The anti-inflammatory ingredient nurtures to impart a blemish-free radiance to your skin. Therefore, several beauty creams and other cosmetic products use saffron as their primary ingredient. It gives the skin a glowing touch and makes it soft and supple. Like all other benefits, it is also due to saffron's antioxidant properties. Saffron can act as a topical applicant for skin lightening and texture, pigmentation, scar healing, and cure for blemishes and acne. 4. Increases sexual drive. Since ages, this little plant extract has been known for its amazing aphrodisiac properties. Enriched with the goodness of nature, saffron naturally increases the sexual vitality both in men and women. Saffron has been used for treating age-related erectile dysfunction. It has strong aphrodisiac properties, which can further help in improving the androgen levels in females. Adding saffron in diet can have magical benefits on your health if taken in moderation. Saffron is a superfood as it boosts immunity, power, and strength. Research has proven that saffron is effective in treating infertility. It increases the libido in men and women alike. Couples struggling with infertility should consume saffron to improve chances of conception. 5. Memory function. One benefit of saffron that has been explored in multiple scientific studies is its ability to support cognitive function. For example, one review from 2015 supported the theory that it can be effective for memory and learning. Another review from 2016 highlighted that the reason saffron may be helpful in this area is due to its antioxidant abilities, but more on the latter. It's also worth noting that both of these reviews did state the need of more in-depth clinical studies on using saffron for this season.